Hi, here we have a report consists of 20 sheets, each of 55 lines, and each such line consists of 65 characters. And fine. This report is retyped into sheets, each of 65 lines, such that each line consists of 70 characters. The percentage reduction in number of sheets is closest to what? So we have to first figure out what is the number of sheets required in the new typing style, right? So initially what we have is we have a sheet. Each sheet has 55 lines. There are 55 lines and each line has 65 characters. 55 lines, 65 characters, and there are 20 sheets. Now this whole story or whatever the text is retyped again in a new kind of a sheet, such that each sheet now has 65 lines, and each line can hold 70 characters now. Okay. Now whatever the number of lines or sheets or characters be, the total number of characters will remain the same, right? So the total number of characters in the story will remain same whatever the writing style be. So what is the total number of characters here? See, each line has 65 characters. So one sheet will have 65 into 55. There are 55 lines, 65 characters in one line. So in 55 lines, this will be the number of characters. So this is the number of characters in one sheet, and there are 20 such sheets. So total number of characters will be this. Similarly, assuming that the number of sheets here is S, so the total number of characters in this writing style will be 70 into 65 into S, and both of these should be same, right? So now 65 gets cancelled out. We have 0 and 0 gets cancelled out. So what we have is effectively 55 into 2 is 110 is equal to 7 into S. So from here the number of sheets required is 110 by 7, which is approximately 7 ones are 7. We have 40 remaining. 5, 35, we have 50, 15.7, which is approximately 16, let's say. Okay. So the total number of sheets now required will be 16. 15.7, obviously you cannot have a fractional number of sheets. Either you'll have a full sheet or no sheet. So if you require 15.7 sheets, as in 15 sheets are fully required, 0.7 is partially required, but you cannot take or cut the sheet. You will require the full sheet itself, right? So the total number of sheets required will be 16 in the second case. So from 20, the number of sheets has reduced to 16. So the percentage reduction is of 4 sheets on a base or the initial sheets of 20. So percentage reduction is 4 by 20 into 100%. This goes by 25 times 100 by 5 is 20%. Hence the answer here is option A. There has to be a 20% reduction in number of sheets. Thank you.